Ito, this is the eyebrow eyeshadow. Tapos, ayan, sa pilik mata. And then, it has mirror. Dito mo siya ilalagay, guys. Ayan, mga brush. Cutie, cutie. Tapos, this is the nail polish. It's purple with glitters. And this is the lipstick. Cute. This is from Qatar. Ayan. May tatlong lipstick siya, guys. That's on. And this is for Coco. Coco. This. And ito naman yung pang arty-arty. And this is the glitters. Dalawa sila, guys. Shout out kay Ate Roslyn. Thank you so much sa pasalubong. Ingat palagi and bye-bye. That's all, guys. Thank you for watching. Please follow.